But of course, in large quantities, it also causes burning sensation. Of course, some side effects are there. If it is in a what do you call pregnant ladies, you cannot use it. And of course, in a person or a female, she is in periods, we should not use Chitraka because it's going to influence the bleeding, menstrual bleeding, and all these things we need to take care of. Of course, in the gastric ulcer and duodenal ulcer, these are the area where it is contraindicated. Otherwise, Chitraka is one of the versatile and wonderful drug which can be used in many conditions of the GI tract.
Probably due to its hotness, it's not so suited in bleeding disorders, including the Rakta Pitta conditions, such as nasal bleeding, and also in the bleeding type of hemorrhoids.
But it's basically Dahana, Pachna, all those names of Anala related with the Agni, what have been kept. It is due to its effect on the digestive system and the gastric system, and inside the body, that Agni, whatever it is going to produce, or it is rekindles, or initiates, or ignites, based on that parameters and that function, the name has been kept.
And regarding its hotness, of course, we have learnt that it increases Pitta dosha and also it increases Agni. But how hot it is when we compare it to, say, ginger and long pepper, and we have other Ushnavirya herbs such as Bhallataka. So, where does it stack up in terms of its hotness, sir?
See, when we talk about the Ushnata or hotness of a drug, particularly among these four, if you say Chitraka, Ballataka, and Ardraka, as well as Pipali, from the point of view of its Ushnata, I think the first one would be Ballataka. Ballataka is the hottest one, and it is a very Tikshna and very penetrative in nature. So definitely it is going to be very hot. That's why when it comes in contact with the skin, it also causes blisters. That's why it's called a spotokrit. So there is a reason Ballataka is too hot compared to any other four drugs out of these three drugs. Then next in the line is Chitraka. Then afterwards, almost ginger or Ardraka and Pipali comes in a similar stage or state. Maybe at the third level, these two will be. The reason is Chitraka and Ballataka are almost Samana Pratyarabdha Dravyas. They are in line with their constitution. And all the Rasapanchikas or the internal constitutions, they join together and work in a single direction, and all of them are in a alignment, in a normal alignment, or a linear, one single lineage. So that's why they'll be supporting one another. Whereas in Ardraka, as I mean ginger and Pipali, there is a Madhura Vipaka, which is quite against these lineage, and that's why it pulls down the effect of that drug in perspective of hotness. That's the reason Ballataka is to be considered as the hottest one, and Chitraka is hotter, and ginger and Pipali can be kept as hot. So this is the way we can understand it.